exit down, do my own fizzle. Kill beating thug people each weekend. Gotti changing, I wearing dress changing. Nelly's humming, go ahead try and sell me something. Blowing cash and going out and fucking assing. Getting smashed, drink anything. Hennessy, Chris Smoker, Captain. Now everybody talking about their platinum. Is you bustin' skillet, is you flashing? Talk about your cash flow. Heard about how you were loaded at your last show. Italian stallion, chinky rhymes hot though. From the fat to the blubber on my big hoe, I keeps it moving. Know just what the fuck I'm doing. Jack the RZA track, keeping that you have to use a gat to get it back. It's Cessny, necklaces, Chris Glocks and jet skis. Cross promoting shit with Pepsi, you know my steeds. Company should merge with me. My logo on your lunchbox, oh certainly. Go spend suckers, give me weed, carton, fun crusher. You don't like it, dick up in your fuck ya. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Because, Kansas City people don't know what the fuck hip-hop's about anymore, you know what I'm saying? At least your raps ain't sexy enough, and your beats ain't naughty enough, bitch.
Yo, I blazed them trees before I ever smoked trees. My style broke motherfucking backs like Chris Reeves. Most say Jason is loud and absurd. On some bullshit, Roger got him biting the curb. Piece of dirt, General Lucid, Perseph, and the sorceress. Swinging broad swords in a huge pile of corpses. Then it's me, the ones the haters can't see. Once S crew breaks through unexpectedly to bounce a check, my sword still remains imperial. So after wake and bake, I eat a few bowls of cereal. We rain all year round from June to June. My ninjas strike immediately, if not soon. Brother lynching, inform the execution date as this 2000 beyond slang suffocate. Amplify samples through rapping about depression. Cause Jason to smoke about 20, nothing less than.
My rhymes start shit, it get all splattery and nasty like hot liquor. It's be that cess shit, I don't give a cotton picking. Fuck about a brother grabbing on his dick and nuts. I hold my own, psych style be on the phone.
Sex files, you know what I mean? Y'all mean? You know what I mean? Yo, they go to block stage hot, sweating on it whether or not. You got support of local neighborhood watch, where the kids shank cops. Figuring it's part of the plot, it's gotta be because the shit don't stop. Where they blast on SWAT, kicking in, them doors locked, it's not funny. Snatching everything from clothes to rent money, and it's sunny as hell. People are broken, no it doesn't take a dummy to tell. It was a motherfucking cluck who needed something to sell, and made his getaway before the cops could dump him in jail. Oh well, you dummy up like you hadn't heard it before. At 3 o'clock in the morning, you shouldn't open your door. What the fuck did you think a peephole was for? Round this motherfucker, it's jeepers creepers galore. Cause it could be who you didn't peep at the store, who follows you to your building, memorizing your floors and knowing your hours 4 to 10. But on Saturday, you get off at 8 and you normally drink the night away, hoping for a brighter day. But Sundays fucks, plus you couldn't have seen it coming, judging Monday's luck. No bucks to pay coppers to bust, so intuition's a must. Concealing carries all logic to us, but killing carries not logic enough. She caught a stray, it was just about to graduate from the police academy. The block stay hot, sweating on it whether or not. You got support of local neighborhood watch, where the kids shank cops. Figuring it's part of the plot, it's gotta be because the shit don't stop.
Where they blast on spot, crumb criminals splash on cops. Come and get it now, the last one in. A rotten egg, glass smash till I'm jostled awake. I'm acting like I'm not awake, still laughing the thought away. When I hear this dude say I got cracked in my noggin, hey, could you please open the door? My head's open and sore, I live on the 3rd floor. I've been robbed and attacked, I'm bleeding, my skull's probably cracked. My keys, wallet, and cash, I let him in, then told him I called the cops. He told me he had a problem with cash and to call it off. With his shirt stained, blood on his face, I searched over his wounds at the same time, searching for something to say. He read the bad news in my eyes, felt the uncomfortable vibe. The paramedics arrived, the stairs covered in crimes. Oh, what a time, no joking. The other day, some dude hit a different neighbor with gas and he cut her face. Some people heard the screams, came out to investigate. He bust a couple rounds off, burned out and escaped. And it happens from day to day, it ain't scary to me, shit. 8 out of 10 people I see are carrying weed. These nefarious thieves are put around me and prepare me to see society's a sacred charity, please. Red and blue light sirens, a hilarious scene. I've been sleeping through night, violence coming, sharing a dream. To see the block stays hot, sweating on it whether or not. You got support a local neighborhood watch, where the kids shank cops. Figuring it's part of the plot, it's gotta be because this shit don't stop.
Can we get a moment of silence for gunshots and violence, for all the soldiers that fought into all the families that's crying and say peace to Mac Dre, peace to Fat Tone. And while we saying peace, we need some back home. These KC streets crazy like it's the 80s, and the block is feeling something like Hades. I mean it's hot, and the spot hell is more than over. Smell the aroma, a crack pot filled up with bad cops and lots of doja. That's where the war is on, 400 years and strong. A trail of tears from here to the pier they brought us from, and it's still all the same. They haul us off in chains. Slaves made to be pawns in what they call the game. Watch it close, cause these folks is getting greedier. They blaming rapping attackers in the media, like we to blame. But you and I know this ain't the case. Up in this booth, and yo, we never feeling safer place.
I say the block stays hot, sweating on the weather or not. You got support a local neighborhood watch, where the kids shank cops. Figuring it's part of the plot. It's gotta be because this shit don't stop.
Yeah, with the glass on SWAT. Yeah. Yeah. 168 murders. 1 year. Rest in peace, Raw Jizzle. Yo, what the dealio? The block hot.